Damn, dog. Oh, look at that. Pa, pa. Yo, wagwan. What una deal with? What's up, my people? I hope you're doing great, and I hope you're having a fantastic week. Okay. First of all, I want to give God thanks for life. Second of all, I want to thank each and every one of you individuals for your lovely, heartwarming comments and your suggested comments. The reception I'm getting from you guys, it's bizarre. It's uplifting. It's enhancingly good. Okay, so to all my beautiful people from the Philippines, I'm back again. I am back again. Right? To all my Mission Souls people, I've seen this comment. I've seen another comment where the comment is saying that I should check out Bob Marley and the Wailers. It's called Simmer Down. Right? That was done like from 1963. Then Get the Break, 1964. Okay. So, today, you guys can stay tuned, subscribe for more. And I can assure you that I'll be diving into Mission Souls family from now on and beyond. So we're going to react to Mission Souls by the Rivers of Babylon. That is the most viewed performance on the platform. So I guess people literally love that performance. So I want to see why so much people love it. And you guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. You all know. Subscribe for more. So let's dive into what these beautiful people, this wonderful family, is up to at this point. Peace. Hey, I gotta say, bro, the harmony, it's cute. It's something very tasteful. It's having a great taste to it. Yeah, the music, everything. It's all fine. Wow. Wow. And you know, the family, they're all talented. Very talented family. Every one of these individual are very skillful. The father, the little boy who is playing the drum, bro, my eyes are set on him. He's the most standout guy in the entire family. Then the mother, then the two sisters, right? They are also incredible. One with the piano, one with the guitar, the mother who is the lead singer, then another one who is also the lead singer, but she's having a guitar as well. It's a very blessed family. Something I love to see. Oh my goodness! Yeah! Never disappoints. Never disappoints. I mean, like, my first reaction was mind blowing. No, this is also mind blowing. I can't comprehend this. Damn. And you all know this song is a major hit in Jamaica. Very humongous hit. Like, this song can play anywhere. In night, in setup, in church. You know, it's a random beautiful song. Right? Very beautiful song. Oh my God. Yo. Bro, 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 bro. Too unrealistic. Too unrealistic. I am feeling so good listening to them. Like it gives you a calm mentality. It calm your mental, man. Damn. Damn. I mean, like, yeah, if you guys want to feel more calmly, I think this is a perfect family. If you guys want families like, who do music, who partake in music, I guess the Mission Souls family is a perfect choice for that, bro. Very calm but yet relaxing performance. These people are natural born superstar.
Required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? When the wicked carried us away captivity, requiring of us a song.
Yo, oh my God. Oh my God, yo, the harmony is crazy. Crazy harmony. No one is missing out. Everyone is just on the same page. Perfection at its best.
Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
A family full of wonderful, beautiful souls. I mean, like, if everyone could sit and could understand how these people bring forth such beautiful fruit on this earth of music, then a lot of people would eat from this fruit to become fruitfully multiplied of very great talent. I'm like, they are literally unstoppable. Music, it's at its finest at this point. Very good. Yo, I gotta say, that kid is good. Is really good. It's a bonus for me to look at this kid. Damn, bro. Damn.
The words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart
Be acceptable in thy sight, oh Lord. Bruh, 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 bruh. Sing along. Sing along.
be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight.
Jesus. Back up. Now, these people are way too astonishing. Way too astonishing. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Let's worship, bro. Let's worship. Let's continue.
Here tonight, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion.
Damn, dog. Oh, look at that. Bah. I am feeling good. Awesome.
By the rivers of Babylon.
Sweet. Absolutely honeycomb. Damn. Damn, yo, I am feeling very blessed right now to listen to these people. Trust me. Very wonderful performance. I gotta say, God bless y'all, man. God bless y'all.
Salties of Babylon. There we sat down. Gonna sing a song. Yeah, we will sing a song of love when we remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, rough bits of Babylon.
That kid, these kids, let's not left out none of them. These kids are fucking awesome. Like, absolutely fucking awesome. The family is entirely awesome. Performance are very good.
We sat down, hear the people cry. Yeah, we will stand near the God when we remember Zion.
Wow. Absolutely incredible. Way too good. So, you guys have won yourself another video. So I gotta say, I gotta stay tuned. I wanna try to see if I could react to all the songs. I'm not promise you it's gonna be back to back, like every now and then I'll dive deeper into the family's music. So if you guys want to travel on this journey with me, feel free to travel with me. I'll be appreciating y'all traveling with me. Okay, because this journey is just begun, and what I'm seeing now is going to be a very beautiful journey, right? So if you guys enjoyed my video, remember to leave a like and smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.